Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss MS Excel application software. We know that MS Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculations. We have already learned how to navigate in a spreadsheet, modify and format columns, rows or cells, use the common spreadsheet functions, etc. In this chapter, we will learn to do calculations by using the AutoSum function. It allows us to automatically return the results for a range of cells or common functions like sum, average, min, max, count, etc. in a quick and efficient way. The AutoSum function can be accessed from the two places on the ribbon. First one in the editing group on the home tab. Second one in the function library group on the formulas tab. Let's start today's class. First, open the MS Excel application software. We have to calculate the sum of values by using AutoSum option. The AutoSum function can be accessed from two places on the ribbon. We already said. In the editing group on the home tab. This is the home tab. In this you can see the editing group. This is the AutoSum option. Check this one. AutoSum. Sigma symbol. This is the AutoSum option. Then in the function library group on the formulas tab also we can see the AutoSum option. From this formulas tab, function library group. This one is the AutoSum option. This also we can use for finding out the sum of values. Okay. For that, first take an example of spreadsheet containing a tiger census report displaying year-wise tiger count in the top 5 states of India. Okay. Now, to calculate the total number of tigers in the year 2006, select the cell B10. This one is the B10 cell. Okay. First, select the cell B10. Click on the AutoSum function in the editing group on the home tab, or click on the AutoSum option in the function library group on the formulas tab. Anyone. Here formulas tab we can see the AutoSum option. Click on that. A dashed border appears around the cell B5 to B9 and Excel automatically enters the formula that uses the sum function in the cell B10. Okay, clear? A dashed border appears around the cell B5 to, this is the B5 cell, this is the B9 cell. Okay, then Excel automatically enters the formula in the B10 cell. Here we can see one formula, sum B5 colon B9. In this formula bar also you can see the formula. Sum equal to sum B5 B9. Okay. After that, press enter key. Now I am pressing this enter key. The total number of tigers present in all the states in the year 2006 will be displayed in the cell B10. This is the B10 cell. Here we can see the total number of tigers present in all the states in the year 2006. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate the total for the year 2010 and 2014. Click the cell C10. Then choose this AutoSum function. Then press enter key. Here also we can apply this AutoSum option. If you change any of the value in the cell range used in the formula generated through AutoSum, the total gets recalculated automatically. This is one of the most powerful feature of Excel. Just check this one. Here I changed the value with 50. Automatically the total changed. Okay, clear? AutoSum automatically selects the values around the cells either horizontally or vertically. However, we can change the same as per our requirements. Here we choose this vertical alignment of cells. Then I need the horizontal alignments. That means in this particular state, how many number of tigers are there? That I have to check or I have to find. For that, select this cell E5, then press this AutoSum option. Automatically a border, dashed border appears around the cells B5 to D5. B5 to D5. The formula also we can see in this E5 cell and in this formula bar also. Then press enter. The total number of tigers we can see here. Okay. AutoSum looks for all the data that is consecutively entered, and when it sees an empty cell, it stops. That means here, check this one. I deleted this value from this cell C6. Then I selected this E6 cell. Then choose this or click on this AutoSum function. What is its meaning? The AutoSum looks for all the data that is consecutively entered, and when it sees an empty cell, it stops. Here one empty cell is there, so that stop there. That's its meaning. Okay, clear? We can use the Alt plus equal to as a keyboard shortcut to access the AutoSum feature. We can also use AutoSum by first selecting the range of cells and then click on the AutoSum option. This ensures that the desired cell range is selected on which we wish to use AutoSum. Okay, clear this one? Okay students, I hope it's clear to you. The notes of the topic is attached. Go through the notes and study very well. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.